Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2023 Mercedes Benz AMG GLE, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how the headlight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So to get access for the top section of the headlight, we're going to need to have the hood a little bit open. That way we prep the area here and we're able to install the tint to cover this section here. So to prep it, just apply slip solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. So now that we finished prepping the headlight, now we can start with the installation. Apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And we're going to start by applying tack solution on this edge. That way we help the tint start tacking down once we have it aligned here. And we could just right away start squeegeeing to anchor it to this section of the headlight. So make sure you have it aligned here. It's covered on the bottom. It's perfect here. So once you have it aligned, apply tack solution on top, grab your squeegee, and start tagging it down to secure it. Make sure to remove all of the solution that's trapped behind the film. That way we don't have any bubbles at the end of the installation. Make sure this whole area is secured, but if you need to help the adhesive activate faster, just apply a little bit of heat and then use your squeegee and apply just a little bit more pressure to the squeegee to tack it down, and then we should be good. Okay, and once we have this section secured, now we can finish off stretching the film and aligning it to that end. Okay, so just stretch the film to align it here. Once you have it on the edge, we're going to apply tack solution. That way we can start securing the film on this section of the headlight. So hold it in position, apply tack solution on top, and apply tack solution in the middle section. That way we're able to use our squeegee and tack down the film. So just squeegee and tack it down. Make sure to remove all of the solution underneath the film. Remove the fingers on the top section, and if you have any on the bottom, remove them as well. And then the last step would be to apply heat all around the film to seal everything and to help the adhesive on the film activate faster. But before we do that, just make sure double check, inspect if there's no solution behind the film to avoid having any bubbles at the end of the installation. Okay, and once you're done, we'll move on to post heating. So to post heat the headlight, just apply tack solution to the lens, and we're going to use our heat gun and apply heat evenly throughout the entire headlight. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use our microfiber towel just to help tack down the film around the edges, and also it will help us remove any solution that's trapped around the film. So take your time doing this step to help the adhesive activate, and then once you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2023 Mercedes Benz GLE Coupe. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.